Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do marble nails 2 ways. I had filmed both these videos separately and decided that they are pretty similar and the marble pattern is pretty much the same thing, so I decided to combine it into one video. So for this first look, we're going to use Kira Sky's Warm Lavender. It is more of a gray-based lavender color, super pretty. We're going to do 2 coats of this on all of her nails. And then for the marble, we're going to use Madame Glam's Perfect White. And then we're going to take a detailing brush. This one I have is from Midi Burns. It's Minty Zero. And you're going to create random squiggly lines kind of at a diagonal, but they do not have to be perfect. And then you're going to go in and take a flat brush. This one I just have randomly in my collection. You're going to dip it in some alcohol and you're going to kind of feather out the lines that you just created, so that way they're not a solid line and kind of gives it a smoky effect to it. And once you're happy, you're going to cure the marble. And for her set, she wanted to do an accent of a chrome nail, so I will be using a no cleanse top coat before my chrome. We're going to do this on her ring finger as well as her thumb. And then the chrome powder we're going to use today is Creations Pixie Dust Powder. This one is kind of an iridescent green purple hue. It looks really pretty on top of purples. And so you're just going to rub this in with a brush or a finger. And now going back to the marble nail, you do want to have a layered sort of look to it. So we're going to apply a super thin coat of that warm lavender, so that way it kind of tints the marble that we just put on, but it does not completely cover it. And then we are also going to put that no cleanse top coat on top of the chrome. And going back to the marble nail, you're going to do the same thing on top of this layer, but you're going to kind of want to cross over some of the lines. But again, don't make it a perfect cross or diagonal. And so once you're happy with your marble look, you're going to go ahead and top coat. Today I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here's how her nails came out. Super cute and simple, yet they're fun and playful. I don't know, it's a really cool mix with the chrome accent, but it's very subtle, and you also have the marble look. Came out super cute. So let's move on to our other set. For her first color, instead of a chrome accent, we are going to do a metal leaf accent. I'll be using Beamy's Metal Leaf in Gold Leaf. We're going to paint this on her ring finger. And for the pink, we'll be using Madame Glam's Angel Wings. This one is a light pink shade, and we're going to apply a coat of this on all of the rest of her nails. And we're going to go in and do that same marble look. You could just see how I do it this time. We're going to do it on her middle finger as well. And then to layer the pink, we are actually going to switch over to Kira Sky's The Simple Life because Angel Wings was too opaque to put on top of the marble. It would have completely covered it instead of it giving that transparent look. This one is a super transparent pink and it does give it a lighter shade. So I went ahead and I put a coat of this on all of the pink nails so that way they do match. Then you go back in, do that second layer for the marble, smudge it out the way you like it, and give it a good cure. And here's how her marble nails came out. Gives it a different look because it gives it more of a pop with that gold accent, but it still keeps it simple and classy. So here's what the two sets look like side by side. The marble in them is almost identical. Of course, each marble nail you do will not come out exactly the same. Each one is going to be unique and different, which I think is really cool to that marble effect. And so you can use the marble as an accent in any design, or use it as the focus and do an accent of chrome or some metal leaf. So the marble look is fun and simple to do. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on regular like black, white, and gray marble. I will try to practice and play around with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye!